All right, we're back again, and I'm looking at. Apparently, it's only outputting two. Excuse me, I just went to the dentist, so I'm gonna be fumbling over my words a bit. But apparently, it's only like Qlib after initializing CSI 300. Something it's only like reading the .h5 or whatever is only reading two of the instruments for some reason. And another thing, so it's another thing I'm trying to work out. Maybe that's what the problem is with all the other stuff. Not entirely sure, but trying to see what we can do with that. So I am definitely finding Claude to be a hell of a lot more helpful than OpenAI. I was trying to use DeepSeek version 3 along, with Visual Studio Code, but it wasn't great either, to be honest with you. There might be a way to work with that in another way that might work better. But we'll see. So this is version 5 of trying to figure out. But Claude definitely seems to have it together with this kind of stuff for coding. All right, so it says Qlib is not recognizing the custom provider. So maybe I made something custom earlier and forgot about it. Maybe that's why we're getting all these errors. It says the warnings reveal crucial information about the Qlib configuration. Now maybe I did something in the configuration myself earlier and forgot, although I did a whole lot of new installs and stuff, so I'm not really sure. We can successfully read the binary data, showing the fields are valid. Let's try a simpler. All right, so maybe recognizing a custom provider configuration. So let me kind of try and figure this out. Why is there custom provider configurations? Oh, yeah, now I'm getting the message for the haiku thing or whatever. Now you can see, like, I go through like a hell of a lot of stuff here, to do this, and this is just one. I have to always create new chats all the time. That's one thing that's really annoying about Claude, and it stops at I can't use this till like 10 p.m. then, and anyway, and you can see in ChatGPT we've been kind of like all over the place. That's just one of the chats as well. There's been a lot of things. So a lot of it is about the daily underscore pv.h5. Whatever it is, there's issues with that. Hopefully we'll get to the bottom of it by the next video. I just uploaded a whole load of videos today as well. So, if you've followed all that and you've followed all this so far, maybe this is the problem. Maybe everything is to do with this. But I can't ask Claude now, and I can't continue that conversation now with Claude because it will just start a new one. It's so. Why does everything have to be that way? Why can't I just continue the thing anyway? That's why another reason why I was trying to set up this thing here with DeepSeek. You can just get your API and then stick it in, and then you have that. The only thing is you can't really upload files. It says upload to attach a file, but enter the file path. Okay, well, I'll try, but it's funny because it wasn't working before. Right, so File not found. What? Enter the file path. Maybe I need to take off the quotes. Oh, yeah, just needed to take off the quotes. So that's uploading then. It seems like you're referring. This appears. Unfortunately, I cannot access few files from your local system. Okay. You can share specific details or questions about it. So you need to copy paste. All right. So anyway, that's another thing. You can try and do as because I have an agent. I had the agent running a disk from or the agent, and then I had like the DeepSeek agent watching this agent. It wasn't that great though. I'm using Klein. You can do it in Klein with the little robot thing, and it's very simple. You can just put that add-on there, little robot add-on, and then you put in your key or whatever, and then off you go. So I don't know. Let's see where this goes in the next video. I gotta mind my teeth now for a while, and then I'll be back, and hopefully we get to the bottom of this H5 business. All right, that's all for now. See you in the next video. We continue the journey for Qlib and RD Agent and Qlib. What a journey. I'm learning a lot. But I'd rather be doing algorithms and seeing where we can possibly, get some stuff going here, rather than just setting up stuff all the time. I suppose it's good to understand a little bit of the backbone of the code and how it works. And all this time working with it, I still don't really understand it, but there you go.